You're gonna fail as a drummer if you buy toilet paper. Let me explain. In 2020, people were buying so much toilet paper that stores were running out. Instead of buying gently used toilet paper off the black market, I bought a bidet. Sorry, this lid was on tight and I need it for later. Rather than following a crowd that was literally getting into fistfights over toilet paper, I took a step back to analyze the problem and found a better solution. You need to do the same thing if you want to improve as a drummer. Beginner and intermediate drummers are wasting their time following what everyone else is doing, instead of focusing on what they need to improve to actually get better. The problem is they're practicing what other drummers post on social media, but what other drummers share to get views isn't going to help you get a gig or get callbacks at an audition. I know this sounds obvious, but it's important to point out because when every drummer is sharing content that's designed to get views, it gives a false impression of what you should be practicing. But learning to drum by imitating others on social media is like learning to fight by watching anime. If you want to improve as a drummer, you need to think of practicing like food. The fundamentals are the main dish, and the flashy stuff is the seasoning. The drumming content you see on social media is the opposite. It's all seasoning with a sprinkle of main dish. Not only does that taste bad, it's not a nutritious meal. You need a balanced diet of drumming fundamentals to actually improve, rather than spending 99% of your time practicing something you'll use 1% of the time. All of the great drummers you looked up to practice the boring stuff that amateur drummers ignore. Their success came from years of refining the basics, not by focusing on a popularity contest that billionaires profit from. So instead of following the crowd, figure out your own weaknesses as a drummer, then practice them until they become strengths. I've got thousands of free exercises in my YouTube channel's home tab to help you with that.
Hello?
As well as hundreds of drumming tips and lessons.
Who are you
like this
talking
one
to?
that helps you figure out what to practice by analyzing how you sound,
Hello?
look, and feel when playing.
What are you pointing at? More importantly, what are you playing?
Oh, so my hands are in 13/16 and my feet are doing a 7/8 Bayonne.
Cool, but the song's in 4/4.
The downbeat lines up every 91 bars.
It's hard to follow when you keep changing the tempo.
Metronomes suppress my creativity.
I've got a drum machine app on my phone.